take this game home?
Well, I thought our defense held. We know Rainer Shine's the second highest scoring team in the league. They're averaging 108, 110 points a game. So we really wanted to keep them to, if possible, below 90. We almost did that, except we gave up a lot of fouls in the end. So I think that was the difference maker. Our ability to force them to play half court, and when they play half court, then we have a better chance of defending them.
Thank you, Coach Chot. Now, RR, isa na namang magandang laro para sa'yo. Maliban sa pag-control ng rebounds, ano bang other advantages ang nakita mo na talagang nakatulong sa laro mo today?
Siguro yung pag hindi nagmamadali, yung dahan-dahan lang, siguro yun yung malaking tulong kasi yun nga palaging sinasabi ng mga coaches sa akin na pag kumatake, dahan-dahan lang kasi palagi ako na-turnover dati. So yun talaga yung big factor siguro.
Thank you, RR. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, from game one, there were times that Ryoshino was leading and there were times they were knocking on the door. Knowing that this is your fourth time sa playoffs, third in the semis, ano yung dynamics this time, especially with Ryoshino coming off a quarterfinal win over NX, they played Laredo, then may Mike Alonso pa, mga ganung dynamics, Coach?
It's still the same. Hindi na namin iniisip yung nakaraan. The past series is already history. So that's farthest from our mind. We wanted to make sure that we keep our focus only on this game, on these 48 minutes. And to be very honest, I was very disappointed with our first half. I thought we played pretty sloppy basketball, 10 turnovers, and we had a lot of loose possessions. Luckily, I thought we got a big lift defensively from Poy Eram, anchoring our defense. And when that happened, it allowed us to get opportunities to score. So yun lang, yung nakaraan, hindi na namin yun iniisip. We're only concerned now with the present, and right now, our only concern is the next game, which is on Friday. For sure, they're going to come in. Coach Yang had a different starting lineup. We went small. It was a great ploy to match our speed. But like I said, in the end, we were fortunate to be able to lock them down defensively.
Coach, Jordan played 15 minutes tonight. How is he, and will there be a chance na his minutes will increase knowing hindi siya and everything?
His minutes will depend on really his condition, how he feels. He's not even joining our practice. He's just joining our shooting and some very light walkthroughs because we want to keep him off his back as much as possible. We want to keep him off his feet as much as possible so as not to aggravate his back. So again, it's a game-to-game call. Right now, it's a cause of concern because there's only 1 day break between games. But we'll see. The good thing with Jordan, he's a gamer. So when we need him, he's there. He's putting it out. He's leaving it on the floor, even with far from being 100%. But when he's there, it allows guys like Roger a lot of space because they have to. He attracts so much gravity on the other team's defense, so it helps his teammates as well. So, ganun lang yun. We're just taking it from game to game.
Coach, could you discuss how you dominated the rebounds? Kasi yung Raynor Shen was coming off a series where Laredo had 21 rebounds. Was it focused to dominate the boards?
Yeah, we really wanted to. One of our main discussions in practice was to make sure that we keep them off the offensive glass. And then when they started small, obviously we had the advantage in size. And so that's what we talked about in the timeouts, in the huddle, that if they continue to play small, then we have to pound the offensive, make sure that we dominate the boards. And ganun naman yung basketball, di ba? There's a give and take. You make your decisions, and as coaches, we take advantage of what the situation presents, what situation presents itself. So when they went small, we made sure that we take our advantage. I call it taking advantage of our advantage.
28 ka tonight, another high scoring game. Pero yun nga, Poy at 16, DJ at 13, Kiso 12, Tan at 12, Reading 11. Siyempre, malaking bagay na hindi lang ikaw yung gumagawa sa opensa.
Yung team namin ganoon talaga. Palaging sinasabi nga ni coach na hindi kaya ng isang tao lang manalo. Kailangan kaming lahat, we're not the best talented team sa PBA, but gagawin namin lahat para maging best team sa PBA.
Coach, ano kayo ba? Ryan Heruela, any
Right now, we're hoping he can come in Game 3. Yun ang ano, if his ankle continues to progress, then hopefully by Game 3 makabalik siya.
Pero is he practicing?
No.
Gusto kong kasabi kung wala na injury.
And that sums up our post-game press conference.